Hello and welcome to your daily market and economy update. I'm Calix. Here's what's moving India's markets and economy right now. 1. Indian markets Kickoff 2026. Indian equity markets open the year on a mixed note, with Nifty and Sensex trading range-bound as investors digest fresh cues. Auto stocks rallied on strong December sales led by Mahindra and Mahindra posting a 23% rise in SUV sales, reflecting robust demand after recent tax cuts. 2. Tobacco stocks dive on new excise duties. Tobacco and cigarette companies tumbled sharply today after the Finance Ministry notified that additional excise duty on tobacco products will take effect from February 1, 2026. Shares of Godfrey Phillips plunged over 15% and ITC tanked nearly 9% as the new duty is expected to hike costs and impact sales. 3. Broader market buzz, Sensex and Nifty movers. Today's session saw a range-bound market with active stocks including Reliance Industries, Adani Total Gas, and ITC, alongside positive cues in autos and metals. Steel stocks were particularly in focus as JSW Steel jumped nearly 5% on robust demand and strong sector fundamentals. 4. Nifty wraps up 2025 strongly and 2026 outlook. Indian markets ended 2025 with a rare 10-year winning streak, with Nifty delivering around a 10% annual gain despite global headwinds and volatility. The Economic Times. Analysts are cautiously optimistic for 2026, with Nifty targets ranging from 28,500 to 29,000 plus, and even higher in some bullish scenarios, driven by earnings growth, policy support, and improved macro conditions. 5. Top risks could challenge 2026 rally, but the path ahead isn't without risks. Analysts highlight 7 key threats that could derail the rally before Nifty hits 29,000. 1. Delays in a U.S.-India trade deal. 2. Escalating geopolitical tensions. 3. Possible AI sector bubble. 4. Corporate earnings versus valuations mismatch. 5. A spike in crude oil prices. Rupee depreciation. A glut in equity supply from new IPOs. These could spark volatility and keep markets choppy in early 2026. 6. UPI records massive December activity. On the payments front, UPI clocked its highest ever monthly transactions in December 2025, touching an astonishing 21.63 billion transactions, a strong indicator of digital payment adoption and consumer activity ahead of the new year. 7. GST and tax updates, positive fiscal signals. GST collections continued to show strength, rising over 6% in December, reinforcing government revenue resilience heading into 2026. Meanwhile, broader tax reforms and simplification remain on the agenda, aimed at boosting consumption and business sentiment in the long term. So what does this mean for investors and India watchers? Markets start 2026 with cautious optimism, but plenty of headwinds ahead. Sectors like autos, metals, and selective finance stocks may outperform, while SIN stocks face tax pressure. And sustained digital transactions and strong tax revenues point to healthy economic activity. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this update useful, like, share, and subscribe for more daily market insights. I'm Calix, and see you in the next update.